Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to translate AliExpress to English. First of all, open AliExpress application on your device, and you cannot translate AliExpress to English. Instead, you can change language. To do that, access your account at the bottom side of your screen, and then in the top right corner tap gear icon. This is settings, and now from the settings list you should find language, and finally select English as a main language. That's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.